Look for action. I have no idea how that happened. There's queen. Look for movement. Look for action. Then flip. And again, like a pamphlet. Middle, left, right. Look in the sun at different angles. Turn it back over one more time, because they like to hide when you first pull the frame up. There's queen. Do you see her? I actually found a duplicate queen in the Budge hive last year in the super. I have no idea how that happened, but that's why she got her name Lucky Number 7, because she was lucky. Lucky I saw her, and lucky, oof, that I was able to keep her. They have glued this hive shut. This is full of honey already. Gorgeous. Brand new eggs. So that means queen is in here, good and healthy. When I look at a frame, I look at it like a pamphlet. Pull it up, look in the middle, look to the left, look to the right, look down at the bottom, flip the frame, same thing. There's my queen, in the middle, left and right. Do you see her? So, look at a frame, section it out. Look at the middle, and then look to the left, and then the right. Do you see the queen? So queens are the only ones that really make noise in the hive. As a matter of fact, they do it when they first emerge. It's called piping. And they do that to call out the other queens in their cells. And those queens will then chirp back, and that alerts the queen to go and find them and execute them. Let's put you back together. It's getting later in the day.